Hey guys, what's up? We'll pause this. I am back at the truck and it finally came in, so I'm ready to do it. Now you're asking yourselves, what finally came in? Well, I've been waiting all week. Yesterday was my birthday. Say happy birthday. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I was hoping it would come on my birthday because that would have been sweet. Just trying to pick what blade I need here. Yeah, that one looks good. Anyway, it came yesterday. It actually came today. Yesterday was my birthday. Okay, so that's that. So let me just show you what I'm talking about. There she is. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So this is a manual crank 12-volt fan. So I am going to be installing this, hopefully. I'm running out of daylight here, so I went fishing today. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing this, hopefully. Never done one before, just gonna go with the flow. I got some silicone to weatherproof it, hopefully. I got some bolts to bolt it down. What I was just doing with this jigsaw was I was picking out a blade. It's actually a metal cutting blade. I don't have anything specific for fiberglass, so I just chose something with very close teeth, small close teeth, as opposed to far apart teeth. I got I don't know if that'll work, close up small teeth. So I'm gonna throw this stuff on the roof. And try to figure this out in my head, where it's gonna go and how's it gonna go and all that. So I'll be back in a second. So what I did here was I used my brake light on the back of my truck to kind of center it this way, left and right. And then I got down and I looked through the windows from front to back to kind of center it that way. I want it centered above my head where I'll be sleeping, so you know it's blowing the air down on me. So that's what I want, and I think this is a good spot. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to mark out my cut spots. I think what this is. I feel like it's almost doing all that stuff. 14. 14. I want to put 14 volt. So all I'm doing is Alright, just double checking myself here. No audibles. real quick before the next song starts. Stupid copyrighted stuff. Got the hole cut out. You guys saw that. Now I'm gonna go through and drill all the holes for the bolts. So that's what I'm doing now. Let's go. Safety first too. Working with fiberglass. Wear some sort of respirator. Alright, I got the hole cut out, holes drilled out, so now gonna start getting the screws ready, the bolts. So what I got here is, hopefully it's gonna be long enough. I have these screws that have a rubber washer and a metal washer. It's like a 2-in-1 washer here. So it has the rubber washer and the metal washer. I'm gonna use these on the top of the bolt so it weatherproofs the hole. Also, it's cleaned up a little bit. I have some silicone I'm gonna run. I'm gonna run a bunch of silicone across it as well, so that weatherproofs it as well. So that's where we're at now. Let's go. Alright, it's getting dark out now. I don't know if you guys can see this very well, but I have it all in now. It was a pain in the butt. At first I was trying to do it with the mesh still in, so I was trying to whatever, it was just take the mesh out, it's easier. Okay, as you see, I got all this extra silicone bursting out the sides from the all the bolts. So hopefully that's a good enough seal. It's supposed to rain later tonight, early morning, and tomorrow, so it'll be a perfect chance to see if it's sealed good enough. So I'm gonna go back on the inside, get everything cleaned up, and go on the inside and close it up and all that good stuff. So stay tuned. Hey, what's up guys? It is the next day, morning. It's already rained. It's not raining right now, so let's show you. Let's see if it waterproof sealed or not. So there she is. So she looks like in the day. Alright, I just opened her up. Unfortunately, I can't do it with one hand. Had to do two. But by the looks of it, I don't see any water on the wood, on the floor. Alright, by the looks of it, I might have had some success. There's no wetness on the floor, so that's good. I don't see anything. Here, let me pull this cover off. There's no wetness on the cover, so I think I did a good job then, huh? Okay.